In a narration found in Sunan IB, near Marjar, number 3775, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised two people not to converse in private if there is a third person present, as this could make them feel uncomfortable. As Islam promotes unity, even the small actions which can potentially damage relationships between people has been warned against. It is important to note that this narration also includes conversing in a language the third person does not understand. A Muslim's duty is to always make others feel comfortable, and this is one of the reasons Muslims have been advised to spread the Islamic greeting of peace to people they know or do not know. Conversing in private in this manner contradicts this duty, as it can make others feel uncomfortable. Only in emergencies should two people converse secretly in the presence of a third person, otherwise, they should wait until either the third person leaves or another joins the group so that the third person does not feel left out. A Muslim should implement this teaching, namely, making others feel comfortable in all aspects and situations of their life, as long as it does not lead to the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. An aspect of this is to treat people in a way one would like to be treated by others. They should avoid embarrassing others in public, and therefore privately and gently command good and forbid evil. They should adopt a welcoming demeanor, so that others feel comfortable around them. One should strive to fulfill the needs of others for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, according to their means, as unfulfilled needs would make people feel uncomfortable.